In this video, we're going to do a cutoff in Nightclub Two Step. We'll show you what it looks like. What you have to know for this one is you have to know an underarm turn in Nightclub Two Step. I'll show you what that looks like. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So once you know that, you can start to do a cutoff. So we'll show you what it looks like. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You can pick up your arm if you want. 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. We'll do a double spin out. Now, 2, 3 and 4.
I usually do 2 pair of those or 2 cutoffs and then exit on the third one with a double spin. So let's do it one more time.
1 and 2,
I catch,
3 and 4. 1 and 2,
catch,
3 and
I'm done,
4.
double
1
spin out
and 2, 3 and
from this
4.
direction.
1 and 2,
I catch,
3 and 4. 1 and
be sure
2,
to look back at your
3
partner.
and 4. 1 and 2,
And then
3
double
and
spin
4.
out. I'm going to show it from this direction.
So we'll break it down a
It's
little
an
bit.
underarm turn.
So he starts with that. 1 and 2 as
I
I
get ready to catch the shoulder.
goes 3 and 4. So my footwork is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. When he's ready to take me out, he's going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and he'll pick me up.
Leader's footwork is this. I'm going to go 1 and 2. I'm going to get ready to catch. And right in place, I'm going to go 3 and 4. And I'm going to face her. Again, 1 and 2. I catch. 3 and 4. The last one completes the underarm turn. 1 and 2. She goes another time around. 3 and 4. I do side cross side and pick her up.
And one thing that's important is when he gives you the cutoff, 1 and 2, what you want to do is you want to keep turning till you stop. 3, so notice that I face him 3 and 4, versus doing this. 1 and 2, 3, just being forward. It doesn't have much attitude if you're doing it like this. So you want to keep turning. 1 and 2, keep turning, 3 and 4. So you can take a look at it. 3, and then if you want to do the arms, you just snake your hand out quickly. Do that. Okay? All right. Did we say enough about it?
I think so.
Okay. All right. Thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.